back to my channel. In today's video, we're actually tackling my pantry. I'm doing like a little quick, short, simple kind of video because my pantry is a disaster and it's gonna take me a little bit to actually clean and organize. And I might actually organize some of my kitchen a little bit, so this might turn into like a pantry / kitchen organization kind of video. And I love those. I love decluttering and organizing my kitchen because it's just been so long since I've done it. I haven't done it really since spring cleaning. So I just feel like it's a good time to kind of clean your house and declutter is before Christmas. So I do like to do this twice a year. But if you have not been on my channel before, my name is Justine and my channel is all about cleaning, decorating, DIY projects, and overall homemaking while being super busy as a parent or a mom or a dad to kind of help others who struggle with maintaining their home as much as I did before I started my YouTube channel. This was kind of to help me keep myself accountable and just share with you guys what I do to help kind of maintain my home with 3 kids, working full-time. My husband's military, and I just finished my degree in my bachelor's, so I'm done with school finally. That's one less task on myself to kind of maintain my house. But we're gonna jump into this video. I hope that you guys will either kick back, relax, and watch and get some motivation, or get up and organize with me some areas in your house that you have just been neglecting and they need done. All right, let's just jump into this video. As you can tell, it is really messy in here. I need to fill up these containers. I have cereal behind there that you can't see because it just has gotten out of hand in this pantry. I don't even know if you can see how bad. Everything's just kind of thrown in here. The bread bin is like falling apart. I don't even know what to say about that. This one's not too bad, but we're gonna take everything out of here and kind of lay it out so I can organize. It's just starting to really get like an overflow, and I hate that. I like to have everything condensed because we do have a smaller size pantry. I mean, we're fortunate enough to have a pantry at least. I know some houses don't even have a pantry, but you can just see like this is my healthy snack bin. That's just for me, but it's overflowing. I need to go through it. And then we have some snacks down here for the kids that they like. There's some almonds I need to put away. I have a ton of bins that aren't in here right now, so I do have to kind of organize that. And then you can just see how bad it's gotten down here. Like it's pretty bad. I don't have anywhere to put my cans, unfortunately. I do need to get one of those like little cart things maybe for down here, but right now we just have them in these Target bins. They're on both sides, but you just can't even see that right now. Like it's really bad in there. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of tackle the pantry as best we can and make this look a little bit more organized.
Try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do.
I cannot wait to replace these floors on the downstairs floor just because it looks so brown in these videos. It makes my house look yellow. The lighting looks yellow. So I cannot wait to replace the flooring and just have it brighten up the space a little bit more. But the pantry is definitely one of those areas that can get dusty or even just food everywhere from the kids getting in and out of it. So I wanted to vacuum it really quick and kind of broom it out, and then we're going to start organizing all of the food. And we're using the containers we already have because on my channel we ball on a budget. It's realistic. Not everyone has a whole bunch of money to go spend on a whole bunch of new organization. I suggest buying some organization that's simple and easy to use, and that is like a little bit more affordable. I like the Better Homes and Garden from Walmart, and I get stuff from the Dollar Tree. It really just depends, and I like how it looks. I don't know, it's just me. I like how I just reuse the same containers instead of buying new ones. And I haven't labeled any of my containers because some of them change. We get bored of the same snacks, so I change them, and I really don't want to have to change the label every time we change snacks. So we'll see later on if I decide to label, but right now we're just organizing and cleaning out this pantry. This is like all of the stuff from the pantry. You can see it is a small pantry, but it does fit a lot of stuff. This was all over the floor, just everywhere in my pantry. And then there's even stuff down here. Like I said, those are the bins from Target with all the cans. I have to go through those and wipe them out. And then all of the drinks, I'm gonna put some in the fridge. And then there's more stuff just over here in general that I have to kind of go through, put away, throw away the stuff we haven't eaten that's been in there for a while, because it just happens that way. But yeah, you can just tell we have a lot of work ahead of us.
How it all out somehow. Why I'm acting weird whenever you're around, oh, when you're around. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed, burning temptation. I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm all alone, try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
I do have somewhat of a system when it comes to organization. I have the kids bin where their snacks go. I have my healthy bin. I have a baking bin, and then I have 2 different kinds of pasta bins. So like one's like your mac and cheese, your sides, your like oatmeal, and just because I didn't have anywhere else to put the oatmeal. And then the other one is like rice, whole wheat pasta, healthier pasta, just really all the overflow items. I have a bin for overflow items that we can't fit anywhere else. Just tons of different organization. You can do your pantry however you like, whatever you feel works. I do put the snacks that we eat more of in the front. It just all depends. And then I do try to rotate so the kids will see the other snacks that need to be eaten. But I really needed to go through this pantry and get rid of all the food. I didn't realize we had bad food in here until I saw the expiration date. So yeah, we're just kind of moving along in here and cleaning this up.
Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
I got this sandwich baggie organizer during my spring cleaning series, and I absolutely love it. It does hold everything. I need to go buy more bags, but it just keeps everything so much more organized, and I don't have these big boxes taking up so much room in my cupboard.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over
save some space in the pantry on the floor, I'm going to put some of these drinks in the fridge now, just so they're off the floor. I didn't like putting them all back after I just cleaned the pantry. So I'm going to find space and clean a few shelves in the fridge and kind of just clean that up, put some of this stuff in, and then we'll be done with the pantry. And then we'll do a little bit more in my kitchen and some cleaning, and that will be the end of today's video. I do have a smaller pantry, like I said, so it didn't take me as long, but I'll tell you what, cleaning the pantry is a task in itself. I hope that everyone knows that when you decide to organize your pantry, make sure that you are only doing something like simple that day. Don't try to clean your whole house and your pantry. I would have given up. And I clean for YouTube. Like, I just could not do that. It would stress me out too much. After this, I was pretty much done. I was exhausted. So just know that you're not the only one. Pantry organization and kitchen organization is no joke. Alright, I feel like this looks a lot better. I do have to buy labels for these, or I can use my Cricut upstairs. Let me know what you guys would prefer. My Cricut Maker is huge, so I don't get it out. But I've heard great things about the Cricut Joy with labeling. But I don't know. I wouldn't want to spend the money on that and the Cricut Maker. But I just kind of have these broken down. These are the chips. All the chips didn't fit, so the overflow is up there. Oatmeal, pasta sides. My healthier snacks are in here. And then over here is like your baking stuff and pancake mix that's healthy. Up there is the pancake mix and flour, and then all your cereals. And then down here is like your rice, your pasta, and then we have your bread, and then some of my snacks that I eat regularly in my drink packets, the kid snacks, peanut butter, all of that for sandwiches, Pop-Tarts, fruit snacks, hot cocoa, and then just overflow cans. And then down here looks so much better, but these are all of the cans, like I organized them, and the floor just looks a ton cleaner. But the pantry is all done.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution.
This cabinet is where I keep most of my good baking dishes that my mom got me a while back when we first got our house. And then also all of the vases from the flowers that my husband gets me. I don't know why he's gotten me so many. When we first got married, he did not. And then within the last like 2 or 3 years, he's been really like sending me a lot of flowers. So I have way too many vases, and I just need to get rid of these, kind of declutter this little cabinet and organize it a little bit better. Because I just hate how it looks.
You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
While I was cleaning underneath there, I noticed how bad it looks right by my stove. I really need to move this thing out, but I will when we changed out the floors. But right now I just vacuumed under it by taking out this little like cabinet thing underneath out, and then I just vacuumed it a little bit. I didn't do anything really crazy with it. I just was not feeling it after doing all of that organization, and that's all right. But I did get it cleaned up a little bit.
You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do.
I'm just finishing up this video with cleaning off my counters, cleaning all of my cabinets because there's just food and fingerprints all over them. Especially when you have white cabinets, they don't hide anything. So I needed to wipe them down, and I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's Mum scent. It's one of my favorites. I have a whole bunch of these different scented kind of fall cleaners, and so I wanted to use this scent. And then I had to get some dishes done, and we are going to end up just vacuuming to finish this video. I appreciate you guys watching until the end and getting all of this cleaning motivation. I hope that you got to sit back and relax and clean with me and organize, or just get ideas for your own home, or even just feel better about your home, because no one is perfect. This was after cleaning for another video, so that's why everything looks so clean. But I promise you, my house is never clean. There's always a mess. Even right now, the upstairs, I'm sure you can't even see the floor in my son's room. There's toys everywhere. But if you are new here, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button as well as that alert bell. My video is all about cleaning, decorating, DIY projects, and overall homemaking. I appreciate you guys so much, and all of my continued supporters who keep coming back and watching and commenting. It means so much to me. I can't even begin to describe how much it means to me, especially since you guys are taking time out of your day to watch my videos as well as comment. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you again so much, and I hope to see you guys back in my next video.